Most people are using ChatGPT like it's just a smarter Google search bar, but the top 1% is using it in ways that feel almost unfair.
The top 1% aren't smarter than you. They just use ChatGPT completely differently.
The biggest advantage right now. The first thing I do is build what I call a context vault. This is where you stop treating every conversation like it's starting from zero. Think about it. Every time you open a new chat, you're basically introducing yourself all over again. That's a huge waste of time and energy. Open ChatGPT and head to the settings menu in the bottom left corner. Click on personalization, then click on memory. This is where ChatGPT stores information about you across all your conversations.
Most people open ChatGPT and introduce themselves over and over again like it's a stranger. Huge waste of time. The pros build what's called a context vault. They tell ChatGPT their role, goals, and communication style once. Now, every single conversation is personalized without repeating yourself.
Most people let this happen passively. They'll mention something once, and maybe ChatGPT remembers it, maybe it doesn't. However, I actively feed it the right information up front. Start a new chat and tell ChatGPT everything it needs to know about you. Your role, your goals, your preferences, even your communication style.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
For example, you might say, I'm a content creator focused on productivity. I prefer concise answers with actionable steps. I'm currently working on growing my YouTube channel and building an email list. I don't like overly formal language, and I want responses that get straight to the point.
But here's the thing, your vault gets messy fast if you don't organize it, and that's where step 2 changes everything.
But you can also use projects to create separate context vaults for different areas of your life. This is really powerful because you don't want your business stuff mixing with your personal planning or your creative projects. To do this, click on the sidebar menu and then click on Projects. Hit the plus icon to create a new project. Let's say you're planning a trip to Japan. Name the project Japan Trip 2026. Inside this project, you can upload files like flight confirmations, hotel bookings, or research articles about places you want to visit.
Here's the problem. Your business ideas, personal goals, and side hustle plans all crammed into one place. Recipe for disaster. The pros use projects, separate environments for each area of life. Business stuff stays in business. Trip planning stays in trips. Each project has its own files, notes, and custom instructions.
You can paste in notes about restaurants people recommended or specific neighborhoods you want to explore. Add custom instructions specific to this project, like always suggest options that are budget-friendly or prioritize authentic local experiences over tourist traps. Now, every chat inside this project has full context about your trip without messing up your main ChatGPT memory. You can ask it to plan your daily itinerary, suggest the best transportation routes, or even help you learn basic Japanese phrases for your trip. The result is that you're not wasting.
Now your ChatGPT is organized, but what if you need real-time research? Step 3 shows you how to make ChatGPT do hours of work in minutes.
Something most people miss is that ChatGPT can now search the web and compile research for you in a way that saves hours of manual work. I used to spend entire afternoons just researching tools or comparing options. Now I let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Let's say you're researching the best AI video generators for a project. Start a new chat and type something like, research the top AI video generators available right now. Compare their features, pricing, and best use cases.
I used to spend entire afternoons researching tools, comparing options, reading reviews. Now, I let ChatGPT do it. Enable web browsing, ask it to research and compare, then push it further, ask for your specific situation, budget, use case. It refines everything to your needs, not generic info, relevant insights.
Focus on tools that are actually being used by professionals, not just hyped up on social media. Then click on the model selector at the top and make sure you're using the GPT-5 model with web browsing enabled.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
This tells ChatGPT to pull real-time information from the web instead of just relying on its training data. After it gives you the initial research, you can push it further. This is where most people stop, but you shouldn't. Ask which of these tools would work best for someone creating YouTube content on a budget under $200 per month.
But here's where most people still waste time. They retype the same instructions over and over. Step 4 eliminates that forever.
One very important trick I want to show you is that I don't just throw random prompts at ChatGPT. I build prompt templates that work every single time. This is one of those things that seems small, but makes a massive difference over time. Let's say you frequently need to write emails. Maybe you're reaching out to potential collaborators, responding to client inquiries, or following up on projects. Instead of rewriting your instructions every time, you create a master prompt template. Open a new chat and type, "Help me create a reusable prompt template for writing professional emails."
Think about it. You write emails, social posts, scripts, probably the same type over and over. Instead of re-explaining every time, you create a master template. Tell ChatGPT your tone, your style, what to include and avoid. It interviews you, then builds a reusable prompt you save forever. Paste it, fill in details, done.
Ask me questions about the type of emails I send, my tone preferences, and any specific elements I want included. ChatGPT will interview you. It'll ask things like, how should the email feel most of the time? Do you usually want the prompt to always enforce some points? Answer these questions honestly based on how you actually communicate. Then it'll build a custom prompt you can save and reuse. For example, your final template might look like, write a short, high-quality professional email based on the information I provide. The email may be outreach.
Templates are powerful. But what if you could create an entire mini ChatGPT trained specifically on your style? That's step 5.
Talk about custom GPTs. If you don't know, custom GPTs let you create specialized versions of ChatGPT that are trained for specific tasks. This is one of the most underrated features, and most people have no idea it exists. Go to the ChatGPT homepage and click on Explore GPTs in the sidebar. You'll see a library of custom GPTs built by other users. There are GPTs for writing, productivity, research and analysis, even lifestyle. Some are really good, some are pretty basic.
Custom GPTs are specialized mini versions of ChatGPT trained for specific tasks. Go to Explore GPTs, click Create, and tell it exactly what you need. Want a YouTube script writer in your voice? Upload your best scripts, give it your style rules, and now it learns your patterns. Generic instructions give generic output. Your examples? That's the secret.
You can find one that suits you best, but I'll show you how to build your own in case you want them tailored exactly to what you need. Click Create a GPT in the top right corner. ChatGPT will guide you through the process by asking questions about what you want this GPT to do. Let's say you want a GPT that helps you write YouTube video scripts in your specific style. You'd say, this GPT helps me write YouTube scripts. It should use a conversational tone, include strong hooks in the first 30 seconds, and structure videos for high retention.
Now you've got your custom GPT, but here's the mistake that kills results: accepting the first answer. Step 6 fixes that.
Piece of advice is that the first output is never the final output. This is a mindset that took me a while to learn. When ChatGPT gives you something, don't just accept it and move on. Push it further. Most people treat ChatGPT like a vending machine. You put in a prompt, you get an output, done. But the best results come from iteration. Let's say you asked for a video script and it gave you something decent but not quite right. The structure is there, but the hook feels weak and the middle section drags a bit. Instead of starting over from scratch, you say, this is good, but the hook feels weak.
Most people use ChatGPT like a vending machine. Prompt in, answer out, done. Wrong. The pros: iterate. Hook feels weak. Ask it to rewrite just that part. Middle section drags. Tell it to tighten up. Need a stronger call to action? Push for it. You're not accepting output, you're sculpting it. Each round gets you closer to exactly what you need.
Rewrite just the first 30 seconds to be more attention-grabbing. Use a question or a bold statement to pull people in immediately. ChatGPT rewrites just that section. You review it and say, better, now make the middle section more concise. Cut any fluff and get to the point faster. I want this to feel tight and engaging, not like I'm rambling. It tightens up the middle. Then you say, perfect, now add a stronger call to action at the end. Make it clear what the viewer should do next, whether that's watching another video, subscribing, or trying a tool I mentioned.
Now you know the MEMORY system. 6 strategies the top 1% stacked together. Start using them today and watch your productivity explode. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.